This is part 2 of the interactive learning video assignment number 4, but this is homework 7, question number 8. We are given x to the power of 6y is equal to y to the power of 5x, and we are to find the derivative of the function. And now, you can see there are x and y terms on both sides, so we're going to have to use implicit differentiation. And since there's a y to the power, we're also going to have to use the natural logarithm property. So first, we'll take the natural logarithm of both sides, so ln of x to 6y is equal to ln of y to 5x, and the logarithm property says if you have the natural log of a function to a power, you can bring the power down to the front as a coefficient. So we get 5x to the ln of y is equal to 6y ln of x. Next, we're going to take the derivative of each side, which will also involve some product rule. So we get 5x times 1 over y times y prime plus 5 ln of y is equal to 6y times 1 over x plus 6y prime ln of x. And notice y cannot just be taken as a derivative by power rule like x can. It can't just be reduced. You have to multiply y prime as the chain rule coefficient. We're going to simplify that more and get common denominators and add each side respectively. So it looks like this. And then we're going to do cross multiply to get rid of the x and y on bottom. So we end up with 5x squared y prime plus 5xy ln of y equals 6y squared 6 plus 6xy y prime ln of x. That's a mouthful. Now we are going to get all the y prime values on one side of the function, all the non-y prime on the other. We're going to factor out the y prime, and in the end we can just divide away that hunk of mess from y prime, and you end up with y prime, or the derivative of the function, is equal to 5xy ln of y minus 6y squared all over 6xy ln of x minus 5x squared.